leading every aspects of our lives. Computer science and engineering is a discipline that lies at the intersection of computing, mathematics, and applications in science. The Department of Computer Science and Engineering at the Gokte Institute of Technology is in the forefront of the information technology and is propelling students towards global leadership. The Department of Computer Science and Engineering started in the year 1985. It is accredited by the National Board of Accreditation, New Delhi, and is permanently affiliated to Visvesvaraya Technological University, Belgavi, Karnataka. The department offers a 4 years BE degree course in computer science and engineering with a sanctioned student intake of 180. Other programs administered by the department are MTech program in Computer Science and Engineering, a 2 years full-time course with a sanctioned intake of 24. MTech program in Computer Science and Engineering, a 3 years part-time with a sanctioned intake of 18. Doctoral program in Computer Science and Engineering. The department has Research Center which was established in the year 2006. Any organization is what it is because of the many abilities and dedicated contributions of the people making it up. The department stands strongly on the shoulders of well-qualified faculty with expertise in many areas. There are a total of 33 faculty in the department, including 5 doctorates, 4 professors, 5 associate professors, 18 assistant professors, and 3 lecturers. As quoted by Albert Einstein, the beauty of achievement lies in achieving the major laurels brought to the department by the staff. Among the many are Success is the sum of small dedicated efforts repeated day in and day out. It is the result of dedicated efforts put in by the faculty and students day in and day out in every endeavor that has articulated proudly into the students' achievements. The major student achievements among the many are Mr. Chaitanya Nadiger and Manjunath Tertal, founders of Slamico.com, Mr. Shailendra Vatve, a postgraduate from University of Florida, USA, and Mr. Chetan Patil, founder member, Rakhya Technologies, are just a few entrepreneurs the department is proud of. Mr. Karthik Verma and Mr. Vikrant Sanwal are the Google Student Ambassadors, which speaks volumes about the kind of platform that the department provides for its students to excel beyond academics. The department has produced a good number of VTU Blues in cultural as well as sports events like Achala Bhatt, Saurav Kumar, Ashutosh Lakra, Muktinath, and Vinod Kamble, to name a few. Association of Computer Engineers, which is a forum for the students to engage themselves into productive activities. It is a platform for the students to exhibit their talents, exchange ideas, and to create an ambience for the young minds to explore new horizons. The Computer Society of India GIT chapter started in 2007. The CSI chapter has won many awards like the Best Student Branch Award in Region 5 for the year 2010, 2012 and 2013. The Best Compliance Student Branch Award in Region 5 for the year 2011, 2012, just to name a few. The department organizes an annual technical event, Genesis. It brings out an annual newsletter, Locus, which showcases CSI student achievements. It has also conducted many workshops on the latest IT buzz topics like data warehousing, embedded computing systems, and practical insights of core IT industry.